Brushless motor of Porter Camble 20V drill provides 50% more runtime. Powerful motor on Porter Camble tools has 370 MWO of power for heavy-duty applications with minimal stall. 1/2 inch ratcheting chuck of the power tool combo kit is made for improved and reliable bit retention. Transmission has 1800 max RPM for speed of drilling fastening applications. Compact size of 7.4 inch for work in tight spaces. Lightweight design at 3.3 pounds for less fatigue. Mode collar allows you to switch from drilling to fastening mode without losing your clutch setting. Battery and charger sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Great tool. I am a fan of Porter Camble. I have been buying their tools for years, using them at home and work. The battery life is long. The cordless works for a variety of jobs.